Bitcoin mining is the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain, all while earning new Bitcoins as a reward. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up your own Bitcoin mining operation at home. Please note that mining Bitcoins at home has become more challenging and less profitable over time due to increasing competition and the rise of specialized mining hardware. Nevertheless, this guide will help you understand the basic principles behind Bitcoin mining and how to get started. Step 1. Understand Bitcoin mining. Before diving into the setup process, it's essential to grasp the basics of Bitcoin mining. Research and familiarize yourself with terms such as blockchain, hashing, proof of work, mining hardware, mining software, and mining pools. This understanding will enable you to make informed decisions throughout the setup process. Step 2. Choose a mining hardware. Bitcoin mining today is primarily performed using specialized hardware called ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits. These devices are designed specifically for mining Bitcoins and offer much higher efficiency compared to traditional CPUs or GPUs. Research and choose an ASIC miner that suits your budget and mining requirements. Popular ASIC manufacturers include Bitmain, Canaan Creative, and MicroBT. Step 3. Select a mining software. Mining software is responsible for connecting your hardware to the Bitcoin network, coordinating mining tasks, and delivering work to be solved. Two widely used mining software options are CG Miner and Miner. Research and choose the software that is compatible with your ASIC miner. Step 4. Set up a Bitcoin wallet. To store the Bitcoins you earn from mining, you'll need a Bitcoin wallet. There are various types of wallets, including online wallets, software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Research and choose a secure wallet that suits your needs. Some popular wallet options are Electrum, Exodus, Ledger Nano S, and Trezor. Step 5. Join a mining pool. Joining a mining pool allows you to combine your mining power with other miners, increasing the chances of earning a consistent income. Research and select a reputable mining pool that aligns with your preferences. Some well-known mining pools are F2 Pool, Ant Pool, and Slush Pool. Step 6. Connect and configure hardware. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to connect your ASIC miner to your computer or mining rig. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and the necessary power supply. Install any required drivers or firmware updates provided by the manufacturer. Step 7. Install mining software. Download and install the mining software you selected in Step 3. Configure the software with your mining pool's credentials, including the pool URL, username, and password. Refer to the software's documentation or online resources for detailed instructions on configuration. Step 8. Start mining. Launch the mining software and let it connect to the mining pool. The software will begin receiving work units from the pool, and your ASIC miner will start solving complex mathematical problems, hashing, to earn Bitcoins. Monitor your mining operation to ensure it is running smoothly and efficiently. Step 9. Monitor and optimize. Regularly check the mining software statistics and your mining pool's dashboard to monitor your mining performance, hash rate, and earnings. Optimize your mining operation by adjusting settings, upgrading hardware if needed, and staying informed about new developments in the field. Additional tips. Research electricity costs. Bitcoin mining consumes a significant amount of electricity. Before starting your mining operation, research and consider the electricity costs in your area. High electricity costs may impact your profitability. Ensure proper cooling. Mining hardware generates a lot of heat. It is crucial to ensure proper cooling to prevent overheating and potential damage to your equipment. Consider investing in fans or specialized mining rig cases with built-in cooling systems. Be mindful of noise. ASIC miners can be noisy due to the cooling fans. If noise is a concern, choose a location for your mining setup where the noise won't be disruptive, or consider using soundproofing measures. Understand the risks. Bitcoin mining involves risks, including hardware failure, potential hacking attempts, and fluctuations in the price of Bitcoin. Be prepared for these risks and only invest what you can afford to lose. Stay informed. The field of Bitcoin mining is continuously evolving. Stay updated with the latest news, technological advancements, and changes in mining algorithms. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions and adapt to the evolving landscape. Consider cloud mining. As an alternative to setting up your own mining operation, you can also explore cloud mining services. Cloud mining allows you to rent mining power from a remote data center, eliminating the need for hardware setup and maintenance. However, carefully research and choose reputable cloud mining providers to avoid potential scams. Be patient. Bitcoin mining can be a slow and competitive process. It may take time to see significant returns on your investment. Patience and a long-term perspective are key to success in the mining space. In conclusion, setting up a Bitcoin mining operation at home requires careful consideration of hardware, software, and various other factors. While it may not be as profitable as it once was, mining can still provide an opportunity to learn about the technology and earn Bitcoins. By following the steps outlined in this guide, beginners can gain a solid understanding of the basics of Bitcoin mining and take their first steps into this exciting and dynamic field. Remember to research, stay informed, and be prepared for the challenges that come with mining. If you would like more information on Bitcoin mining and cryptocurrency, please click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Happy investing!